Have you ever pictured a future where your dreams become reality? What if I told you the secret to making it happen lies within your mind? Creative visualization is a powerful technique used by athletes, leaders, and entrepreneurs. It's the art of imagining your ideal life with vivid, detailed images. Science proves that your brain can't distinguish between what you vividly imagine and what's real. Visualization activates parts of your brain that drive action and motivation. Here's how to start today. Step 1. Find a quiet moment. Close your eyes and picture what you want to achieve. Step 2. Add details. How do you feel? What do you see? Who's with you? By practicing creative visualization, you not only attract opportunities, but also shape your mindset for success. Ready to create the future of your dreams? Try this technique and share in the comments what you visualized for your new life. Imagine, visualize, achieve.